Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to an amazing resource for anyone looking to build a successful home-based business. It's called Ted's Home Business, and you can find it at tedshombusiness.com. Let's dive in and see what this fantastic site has to offer. First off, Ted's Home Business is a comprehensive platform designed to help both new and seasoned entrepreneurs succeed in the world of home-based businesses. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale up, this site has something for everyone. One of the highlights of Ted's Home Business is the extensive library of guides and tutorials. Here, you'll find step-by-step instructions on starting and growing your home business. From choosing the right business model to setting up your website and driving traffic, these guides cover it all. Online marketing is crucial for any home business, and Ted's Home Business has you covered. They offer proven strategies for online marketing, sales, and customer acquisition. Learn how to leverage social media, email marketing, SEO, and more to reach your target audience and grow your customer base. Managing your finances effectively is key to running a successful business. At Ted's Home Business, we provide expert advice on managing your finances, time, and resources. You'll find tips on budgeting, bookkeeping, tax planning, and more, helping you keep your business on track and profitable. Need some inspiration? Check out the success stories and case studies from other home business owners featured on the site. These real-life stories showcase the challenges and triumphs of entrepreneurs just like you, offering valuable insights and motivation. Ted's Home Business also gives you access to a treasure trove of resources, including eBooks, webinars, and courses. These materials are designed to deepen your knowledge and provide practical skills to apply directly to your business. Plus, you can learn at your own pace. One of the best things about Ted's Home Business is the sense of community. By subscribing to their newsletter, you can stay updated on the latest content and join a community of like-minded entrepreneurs. Share your experiences, ask questions, and support each other on your entrepreneurial journeys. So, if you're serious about building a successful home-based business, head over to tedshombusiness.com and start exploring all the incredible resources they have to offer. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Find some success stories in the link in the description. Let's build your dream business together.